All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another travel in Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're in Grecia. Going to do a walkie-talkie tour here in this town, just about 30 minutes from the SJO airport. Really nice town. It's kind of chilly. It's raining a little bit. Guys, it's raining a little bit. That's why I say bring an umbrella. Bring an umbrella for your trip to Costa Rica. Here's the church. And while we're looking at that, I'm going to put on screen a link to the Amazon store where you can get this umbrella. I like this umbrella a lot. It's a good umbrella. It's a good umbrella. There's other stuff in there too, like water shoes, which I maybe should have worn today because my feetsies are a little cold and wet now. My feetsies are a little cold and wet. So guys, we're here in October thereabout. So this is part 2 in an itinerary series where we're visiting Grecia here. Part 1 is actually just about 10 minutes on yonder. We're staying at a glamping little situation. Very cool spot. Tierra Nueva. Really cool. Check part 1 for that. I'll put it on the description. I'll put it here. I'll put it here, wherever it is. Check the description as well for more videos in the area. I want to get a couple in the area. We'll see how it goes. Now, before we begin the walkie-talkie tour here, let's talk about how to get here from the SJO airport.
So we will start in the middle of Costa Rica, right outside of San Jose at the SJO airport. That's where you get your airport transfer rental car and start heading north up towards Grecia. The route that I'm showing is the one I took, but there is another one. You can stay mostly on the highway. And the roads are well paved all the way.
All right, and that will bring you right to the central square right here. So what we're going to do, I think, is do a little walkie around here, around the park, and we'll walk into the church. Because wait, before I go into the church, I got to take my hat and my umbrella off. So I'll do that last. What do we got over here? So I just had sandwiches right down this street, right to the left, like maybe 20 meters down to the left. It was good. It was good. Maybe, do you guys want to see it? I'll show you where I ate. It was like $6, and I got a barbecue chicken panini with coffee. Very good. Very good. I see a Palí right there. So that's a Palí, Walmart-owned supermarket, not a Maxi Palí. So it's a smaller supermarket. What did I just eat? I think it's a happy day. I don't know how to translate that. I'm a retired emoji translator, but not currently, so I can't translate that for you guys. I'm sorry. Universidad Hispano-Americana. Cool. This is a university here. Oh, cool. It's a university. All right. There's a gym there. That's interesting. I might have to come check that out. See what the gym looks like. I should start a gym channel. Gym fitness channel. Go to all the gyms in the whole world. But Costa Rica travel is cool for now. I dig it. I dig it. What else we got over here, guys? You got like Fiesta store. Oh, they got Christmas trees on the go. Europa Americana. So this is like really a common layout in Costa Rica. You know, you have your central square with your church, your park, and then a really high density commercial area all around, right? So it's super interesting. Now, tomorrow, I understand there's a farmer's market here that I'd really like to get to, so check the channel for that. I mean, if it's uploaded, then I made it, right? Unfortunately, guys, you may notice the drone. We're not going to do the drone for this video. If it's clear skies tomorrow when I come for the farmer's market, I'll put the drone up. We'll have a look, see what it looks like. I don't think we'd be seeing much anyway because there's clouds over all the mountains around. There's a Subway. Subway. Do we have the same sentiment towards Subway as we do Starbucks? I don't know. I feel like people are more neutral on Subway. I'd eat Subway. What do I care? What do we got over here? Ice cream. We got bread store. All kinds of stuff, man. I walk down there. I'm looking for upper deckies. Can't really find any, man. They're hard to find here in Costa Rica. Let's walk this way. Hard to find here. Some stuff is hard to find in Costa Rica, I'll tell you what. I just had to order JB Weld from Amazon to fix my car engine because the car is just a disaster, guys. The car is a disaster. Little Red Rampage it's on its last legs, I think. It's going to die. It's now being JB welded back together, the engine. Pretty bad. Okay, we got Pops, we got pharmacy. Ooh, intimate clothing. Hey now, Joe. Yeah, it's an underwear store. Calzones. Hey, cool, man. This is Banco Nacional, guys. If you guys watch the channel, you already know. I'll say this for new viewers. I always get cash out there. Put my credit card into the ATMs, put my PIN in, pull cash out, never had a problem. Never had to eat my card. I think they charge the lowest fees in Costa Rica for withdrawing cash. So if you need cash to do like a tour or something like that, I'd do that. Pull out Kelowna on the machine there. I guess we should walk this way. Nice park too, right? I like it. Oh, look at all these little statues here. I like this. I tend to just like everything. I like stuff. I like all the umbrellas. There are umbrellas hanging there. I don't know if there's more to it or is it just to prevent water? I don't think it's for the water. I think it's for something. They all have the same color. Maybe it's like for is it the flag of the province? I don't know. Well, I don't know if the colors mean something specific. It's pretty interesting little exhibition. So there was just a bunch of people hanging out in the central square here. I like it. It's like a dome. Big concrete dome. Those are supposed to be like hurricane proof, right? It's like concrete domes. All right, let's go to the church. Let's go visit the church. So look at the flora here in Costa Rica. Look at how incredible this is. I don't know if those are pine trees. It looks like a pine tree from here. Might be like those like leaves that look like pine. It looks like a pine tree. They got like a palm tree thing going on here. Get some other tree. That looks like a mango tree almost. I don't know if it's a mango tree. Oh, look at this big garden here too. Well, the things I see when I actually pay attention. Cool. Let's go see what this is. I don't know if those are pines. I've seen like actual pine trees, I think, at like the highest elevations when you go across Highway 2. But I'm not gonna say that these are pines. Man, those are interesting. What are those? I'm actually happy I came and looked now. Look at those. They're like squigglies. They almost look like a crayon, like I'd eat it. Looks like green crayon. I wonder if those are yummy. I wonder if you can make tea. Like, are they white pine? I don't know. If you guys know what that is, let me know. That's cool. Wow. What an incredible tree. Look at the whole garden here in the church. I like it. Positive Pete today. I am. So once again, guys, there's happy sign. Good sandwiches there. Let me dump the umbrella here. Let me dump the umbrella. We'll lose the hat too. Oh, it's great. Okay. All right. Wow, that's cool. What a nice church that is. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walkie-talkie tour here in Grecia, Costa Rica, just about 30 minutes outside the airport SJO, which is in Alajuela. I know, for all the Trivial Pursuit people out there, it's actually in Alajuela. Look at the mountains off there in the distance. Let's zoom in on that. While we're zooming in, guys, be sure to, check out the link. Check out the Amazon store there. Get some cool stuff that I find useful. If anybody knows what that is, what is that right there? That looks like a church, perhaps. I think we're facing north. I think that's north right now. That's cool. Look at all the stuff over there. I always wonder what's going on there. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for joining. Leave a comment, as always, with your questions, feedback, requests, places you'd like me to stop and visit. If you got any hot tips for me, let me know in the comments below. Bye now.